use it with question words, verbs, the adjectives, the adjectives, or nouns, the verbs, use them all. For the adjectives, use them all. For the adjectives, use them all. For nouns, use them all. 何を食べても美味しいです。No matter what I eat, it's delicious. どこへ行っても混んでいます。No matter where I go, it's crowded. どうやって行ってもあまり変わらないです。No matter how you go, it doesn't change much. No matter what, it's always true. You can also use question word counter with でも like 何度見ても or use どんなに or いくら to me. No matter how much or no matter how many, the result always stays the same. 何度見ても泣いてしまいます。No matter